Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of the function. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this equation in here. Next, we put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. That's about ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we apply this formula for this one. So we will have about f of s multiplied by g of s ln s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have first derivative of y over y. So we will apply the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of f multiplied by gs ln s. Later that we do first derivative of g of s multiplied by f of s ln s. And we do first derivative of ln s. That's about 1 over s. Next, we multiply both sides by y. About y, that is about this one. So if we want to put gs, ln s and f of s go outside, we can write like this. Because we have f of s, but we need to divide by this one. So we need to simplify in here. So gs divided by gs ln s divided by ln s. So this one we just have only first derivative of s over f of s. Similar this one, we simplify f of s and ln s. So we just have only first derivative of g of s over gs. F of s, g of s, they will simplify. So we just have only ln s. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.